Hey, it's me. Oh, you're in that meeting again? That's fine, I'll be quick. Alright, so why did they say or sing that song, Take Me Out to the Ball Game? Aren't they already there? Hello? I'm obsessed with the items I'm about to share with you guys today from Dollar Tree, so I hope that you're just cozy up for this because it's so good. I have so many more like school supplies that I found, things that I have not seen ever released before at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna share with you guys all of the things that I picked up that I just thought were absolutely stellar for $1 as usual. So let's go ahead and dive in. First thing I want to share with you guys are some more binders that I found at Dollar Tree. If you didn't catch my last haul, I'll link it down below because there were a ton of binders in there. And I I showed you guys a star print on a poly folder, and I wanted to find the matching poly binder to it, but still haven't found it. But I did find the print in just a regular binder. So that tells me that Dollar Tree is taking these like school supply prints that they're doing and they're putting it across a lot of different items. Folders, poly binders, regular binders, composition notebooks, and I absolutely love when they do that. But yeah, so this is plain. I'm still on the hunt for the poly binder, by the way, and this is 1 inch. I will say up close, you can see that like the plastic or the lamination, I guess you could say, of it isn't the greatest, but you know, it is $1 and it's such a cute print though. So still on the lookout for the poly binder of that. Now this is kind of where I need your help. Comment down below and let me know what you guys remember from 2020, because for me, I thought, are the 1.5 inch binders new? I should probably dig through my videos so that I kind of know what I'm talking about, and I haven't done that. But I feel like 1.5 is new. And maybe they did it in 2020, but it could also be like just completely brand new for the year. And I will tell you, like, most of the binders are like the smaller ones. So the fact that Dollar Tree is giving us the larger binders, you guys, I think that's such an amazing deal. These do have the little folder in here as well, and so I found it in white, I found it in black. So these are going to be the best, in my opinion, to grab for like home organization. They're just going to look super chic, you know, it'll make your space look super organized. But they also have colorful options like this navy and a green and then a pink. So actually the colors of the school supply year is pink, green, blue, and orange. But I didn't find this in orange, but I kind of feel like there might be orange. So I'm going to be on the lookout, but if you know, also comment that down below in the 1.5 inch size. So anyhow, super impressed that there are these large binders there. And then here I found the activity trays, and these are the colors I just referenced. So this is like the official like color wheel that Dollar Tree is using for back to school supplies. And these are activity trays. They've done these before. Look like this. You know, these could be great for a lot of things. Like if you're like into bead making or jewelry making, I don't know. But if you're just like into like, you know, little like making bracelets, this could be a great thing to kind of like hold your different materials, you know, like the little clasp, the beads, the string, like whatever. And then here are the other colors. So we've got that lime green, the orange, and the blue. So super awesome that we're just continuing to see this color selection. I also found the same color styles in the pencil holders. They've done these pencil holders before, but the colors, I believe, are what's different. Yeah. I love paying attention to the details of what Dollar Tree does, how they, you know, take each season, holiday, events, whatever, and you can just clearly see that they really put thought into what they were doing and creating like a cohesive collection. So these are really cool. You get the little suction in the back as well, so you can add this maybe to like a locker space, you know, or maybe like the side of your desk, or just wherever like the suction can apply to. That would be really cute. Wish we could get these in like white and black as well. I found this super cute notebook. Has like the matte black detail with the silver foil here. It says be wild and free. It has like a little forest landscape, and it's just a plain journal. Ooh, I like that inside. That's really cool. Kind of like just maybe looks unfinished, but I just really like that combination. I think it looks really nice. What I found. So they look like this. You can see that the colors all like, you know, they did the same colors for the larger size and for the smaller size. Now the larger ones are the monthly planners. So we've got blue, this green, black, red, and pink. So when I open it up, I will, if you do look at the cover though, you know, not the greatest quality. It's definitely like the material is pulling. It kind of feels like that fabric that they use for like plastic table covers. Kind of feels like that. But when I open up the inside, you get like your typical front page where you write like your personal information in case like you lose your folder. Wow, on the inside we get like airline information, car rentals, hotels. That's really interesting. Then there's an executive planning guide, which looks really awesome. It's kind of like the whole planner at a glance. And then the rest of it is going to just be page by page of each month. I actually do love a monthly spread as well. It's just kind of like a snapshot, you know, especially if you're not going to be into like heavy planning. You might prefer a monthly layout rather than a weekly or daily layout. And then in these smaller ones, you can see we've got the same color selection as the monthly, but these are not monthly, they are the weekly planners. And what I really like about this is just the size, because you can take it to go. And that's what I would personally use this for. I would definitely use this to throw in my purse. I've been using like a bum bag lately, and so my space, you know, in my purse has definitely gotten a lot smaller. This would actually fit perfectly in there because sometimes I'll go without my planner because it doesn't fit in my, not sometimes, I go without my planner because it doesn't fit, and I need it to kind of remember some things that I'm doing. So these are just going to be great to throw into a purse. All right, you know I'm going to show you some more markers and some more pens, so let's get into it. Jot put out some dry erase markers. I'm pretty positive I have these. I just want to point out though that they changed their packaging, so that's really cool. These are, you know, 2 different sets. And this one you get like the darker colors, and then you get some like bright fun colors in here. And Dollar Tree also sells like dry erase erasers. They sell the dry erase boards and things like that, so you can get like a whole set of what you need at Dollar Tree. Next up are these pens. I couldn't remember if I have these or not, so if I've already shown them to you, I'm really sorry, but they were out with the school supplies section and not like the regular aisle where there's all the pens. So I feel like these are probably a new release. This is the brand ink, which is Dollar Tree, comes out of their warehouse, and these are the colors that I found, and they are assorted ink, so they're going to be the color of the pen. So pink ink, purple ink, red, orange, green, and blue, which I really love those. These I think are going to be a fantastic pickup, you guys, for bullet journaling or planning. That's just where my mind goes immediately. Great for care packages. If you like know an artist or somebody that loves to draw or whatever, that would be a really cute like gift basket theme, and you could just pick up notebooks, pens, pencils. They even have like sketch pads at Dollar Tree as well. This next item was just hiding, and that's the thing about Dollar Tree. It's like literally treasure hunting. I found an instant chalkboard, and I was like, what? Never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree before. They have chalkboards, but not the kind that you peel and stick. And I was just so blown away by this. You even get the chalk, and it's just that. You get 4 stickers. That's really awesome. I thought it was just one piece of like chalk stick paper, but you get 4. You might get, I'm not entirely sure. You could also probably shape it as well. It looks like they did that in the photo in the back. I think they all come in like this rectangular shape. I'm not entirely sure. I'm just making an assumption because I haven't opened it up yet. But I am doing like an overshot. So anyways, I think this is really awesome. You know, it's going to be great for like a command center in your home. Great for teachers as well. Maybe, you know, you could have these out for like the kids to do something with. That would be really cute. But this is amazing. Alright, originally that was supposed to be it for today's haul, because whenever I shop at Dollar Tree, I come home, get all the bags, and then sort things out for each day of, you know, my posting days for Dollar Tree. But these items, I just could not wait another day before sharing them with you guys, because I was shook. But they put out these little fidgets. I don't know what the technical term is. I just know that I've seen them everywhere. It is like the toy of the year. And I never in my wildest dreams, not that this is a wild dream, but I just never thought Dollar Tree would put out something like this. I really didn't. I did not see this coming. Now I will say this does not have the Dollar Tree logo on the back. So that could mean not everyone might see it, and then once it's off the shelves, you may not see it again. But it's just basically like these little toys where you push in like the little things and it just pops. I don't really know, but it's just, I just know that it's $1, and that's super impressive. They did have blue as well. I thought I grabbed a blue one. I guess I didn't, but they do have like a lot to choose from. So this is absolutely epic in my opinion. These items as well, I simply could not wait before sharing them with you guys. Dollar Tree sells these like little Legos. It is the Dollar Tree brand, by the way. I've never actually like used them myself, so I'm not entirely sure. I cannot speak on the quality basically, but these seem to be new. You get a set of windows and doors. That's pretty awesome. It shows you on the back how to build it. Then we get scenery. I believe I've bought the scenery one before. I will link a video down below in case you need a gift basket idea for Legos. I recently did one. I designed a little bag, looked like a Lego block, super cute. I'll link it down below. And then this one is labeled as roofs. I did not say that right. Roofs. Why did that sound weird? And then I found these. So these I know for a fact are brand new. I've never seen them at Dollar Tree before. And they are plates, but one is a basketball court. What? Okay, Dollar Tree. Here is a football field. Ooh, this would be cute. Maybe if you're gonna do some type of like football party this year, you might want to like maybe kind of think outside the box here, and maybe you could use this somehow, some way, like in your food station or like whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? And then a baseball field. This store just impresses me every single day, but the biggest item, and you should have seen my face in the store, I probably had the biggest reaction. I don't know why, because I've seen some shocking finds, but my mouth literally like dropped open when I saw this. A Legos block storage case. What? For $1? It's not that, you know, it's a Legos block case. It's the price that just shakes me to my very core. And even like the top, you can design it, you know, you can decorate the lid. You get little 4 compartments. I simply cannot believe this. Makes me want to do like another gift basket idea doing Legos, but super cute. $1. Like, this is a must if your kids are playing with Legos, in my opinion. Also, this was the only color combination that I found, the red base and the blue top. So just FYI on that. That's not to say there aren't other options, but this is what I found, because if there were more, I would have picked them up so that you guys could see them. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel so much. I can't wait for you guys to see the next haul, because let me just tell you, there's some new dinnerware and it's insane. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.